Hi Plonkers, Daft Scotch Lass here, and I haven't blogged for a very long time, and I thought that I would come and do a wee Christmas vlog for you. Also, I haven't blogged for 3 months. I took a little blogcation and it worked out really well. It was a long time coming. After blogging for 5 years every single day, I really needed a bit of a break to sort of take stock, reflect and decide whether I wanted to carry on with vlogging or not. Which I do, but I don't think I'm going to be a daily vlogger. Maybe twice a week, maybe every week. I don't know yet, but we'll see what the new year holds. I'm so excited. It's Christmas and our decorations are up and our tree is up, and you could probably see our outdoor Christmas lights from fucking outer space. The kids actually call it Vegas, baby, because we have so many Christmas lights outside. It actually, we're probably going to pay out our ear for our electricity bill, let's just put it that way. What can I tell you? What have I been up to in this last 3 months that I haven't been blogging? Well, let me tell you about it. I have gone to 5 Christmas parties, believe it or not. I think 2 of them were dress-up parties, which is cool. You know how I love dress-up parties. I've been to 1 graduation. My littlie finishes preschool this year and she goes to grade 1 next year. So 3 new pairs of shoes. Yes, only 3. Only 3. I've been very good, but then again the budget has been pretty tight. 1 end of soccer season party with 11 very sugar hyped kids, but it was loads of fun. What else? What else? What else? Oh yes, of course. Got to take my hat off for this because this is serious business. Okay, the news about Jack White, who I love and adore, of course, most of you know that, was nominated for not 1, oh no, not 2, but 3 Grammy nominations for Best Album of the Year for his Blunderbuss LP, and Best Rock Album of the Year, and Best Rock Song for Freedom at 21. Woo! We're all holding thumbs for February next year so that Jack can win, of course, at least one of those categories, but he deserves all 3, of course. So that's pretty exciting news. What can I tell you? Oh look who's come to visit. It's our kitty cat, Pickles. Say hello, Pickles. Say hello to the Plonkers. Oh, they got a bath today. All the 3 pets of ours, Penny, Emma and Pickles, all got into the bath. And I ran out of pet shampoo. So I decided that I would use my Pantene shampoo on them. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but they smell great. All 3 of them smell great, so they'll probably be sleeping on the bed tonight with me. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. Did I just do jazz hands to a Christmas song? Fuck me. Cheers for now.